Hi, I'm Sarah with the 360 Knife Block, and Greg with Never a Dull Moment has come to visit us here at the Blade Show. And we're going to show him all of our new 360 knife blocks. So we're going to start with our original 360 knife block that was made. We make everything in our own wood shop. Henry, my husband, is the inventor. And Henry, could you give the spin for the original for everyone? This is our original 360. It's got an hourglass shape. It's designed to fit under standard upper cabinets. So it will fit under 18 inches cabinet height with knives. It is a beautiful hourglass shape. And we were tested by America's Test Kitchen, and we were their winning knife block.
Fantastic.
It's inlaid with magnets. It's got a strong grab. And inside this beautiful skirt area is a 10-pound solid steel base.
May I ask if that's a wooden veneer or a leather veneer?
Oh, that is a great question. So we chose to use a marine ply. You can actually see a bit of it more here on the bar. And that is a veneer. The reason for that is, and you can see our magnet placement a little bit more on what we do with the bar. So we load our blocks and our bars up with magnets.
Really nice.
We want everything to be strong and stable and secure. And the reason we use a marine ply is, one, mostly consistency and strength. We wanted something that was sustainable with our wood products, better use of materials, less waste. And we also cut everything on our own CNC machine, so we need to make sure that everything comes out consistently. We're also able to do cool things like this Bubinga pommelé that you're looking at that you would never do in a solid wood, but we're able to do it in a veneer. And that is our Cadillac of the line. Our original 360 knife block in the Bubinga pommelé is our most expensive block. It's shown here on a rotating stand that we use only for the shows. It does not rotate by itself. But we've got some beautiful show knives here, and this is a stunner of a piece. If you have a designer kitchen or you're looking for something special, this is a $450 knife block, and it is definitely the way to display your knives. We found that a lot of people wanted to have more knives or bigger knives, so we created, just released this year, our new Max, which is 12 inches, so we have the capacity for a 12-inch blade, and it has slots on the top. You can hold a honing steel, scissors, a 5-inch cleaver, 8.5 inches deep on the inside here. And so if you have a collection and you want something that holds more knives or bigger knives, the 360 Max is the product for you. They start in the bamboo. We have our original honey bamboo, and just for our launch, we're doing a limited edition of this blonde bamboo, and they start at $299. And this is also $299 for our American walnut. So we have walnut wood, and then we take the walnut and ebonize it to make this black. So that's how we get the black one. It's actually a natural wood process. It's kind of like a high school science experiment. It's vinegar, steel, wool, and it reacts to the wood tannins. All of our products are available in all of our colors. So we have honey bamboo in our original. That's what was tested by America's Test Kitchen. That's a little bit of our ebonizing process. Then we have the American quarter sawn walnut, then ebonized, and then we also have the Bubinga. So we're trying to be the knife block for people who love their knives. So if you have a knife collection, if you've invested in a custom knife like this one here, then you're definitely going to want to put it somewhere beautiful where you can see it. And the 360 allows you to grab from any angle, to visibly see which knife you're grabbing, and to safely store them without dulling your knives.
So one of the things that I want to just double check, so all of them rotate.
All of them rotate.
They're not self-rotating,
no.
but they do all rotate, but none of them are just stationary sitting.
You know, the magic behind it is a solid 10-pound steel base that has 3 integrated sealed bearings, and so every one of them is going to rotate, but this is on a mechanical stand that is making it rotate for our show. Because, you know, light catches blades, it's really eye-catching, fun.
One of the things I'd love for you to demonstrate, we did it in a video that we had the other day on knife storage. A lot of people aren't aware of how to place a knife onto a magnetic strip of a knife block.
Great question.
You know, when you have a hard, brittle edge, you might not want to go attacking the knife block with the edge leading.
No.
It can destroy the edge and the knife block.
True.
So maybe you would demonstrate when you're going to put a knife onto there.
We do a little twist of the wrist here to remove it along the spine. So I'm taking it along the spine, twisting it away from the magnets and pulling it off, and ditto on the return. That's my recommendation on that. One of the reasons we're America's Test Kitchen's winner is because we don't have any slots that dull your knives.
Nice.
So, and it fits under upper cabinets, and it's magnetic, and you don't have to mount it onto the wall like a bar. The other alternative is the bar storage, which we're here launching today. And it's easy to clean. So the next thing that America's Test Kitchen loved is it doesn't harbor germs, it doesn't dull your knives. To clean it, you just wipe it down, and to replenish it, you can use any mineral oil. So it is made to be the last knife block you'll ever have to buy.
All right. And so for someone to purchase this, purchasing options are...
This is great. Because we hand make it in our wood shop, everything ships directly from my wood shop. So I'm in charge of shipping. I'm going to be signing your little note saying thank you for placing your order.
And you're on the West Coast?
We are on the West Coast out of San Francisco.
Domestically only or internationally?
We do ship internationally, but you got to pay for it, and this block weighs 15 pounds.
Now, shipping domestically...
Is included in the price. It's always free.
Okay.
You don't want to carry this block. It's 15 pounds. So we do ship it. We are on Amazon, which has free shipping, but it does still ship directly from me. So even if you bought it from Amazon, it's coming from my wood shop. We do sell it for less on our website, which is 360knifeblock.com. We would love to have you come and buy it directly from us.
Instagram address is also
360 Knife Block, Facebook 360 Knife Block. You can contact me. 360 Knife Block has our own store on Amazon as well. And anytime you need a question, you're going to be answered by Sarah.
All right, well, we appreciate you letting us be with you at the show. Is this your first time at Blade Show?
This is our first time at Blade Show.
And has it been good for you?
I think it has, yeah.
All right,
We're meeting a lot of great knife makers, and it's been fun to see a lot of fantastic blades.
Well, it's an amazing product, and I can say for all of those who are watching that this was definitely not a dull moment.
No.
And we appreciate you guys being here. Thanks so much. Have a great show.
Thank you. Take care.